Hello everyone, this is Dr. Tanveen from MamaBix, and today we'll be doing a Saturday session with Sonali as every Saturday, and today's topic is how to de-stress during pregnancy. So I'll be inviting Miss Sonali Dhole right here.
Hi,
Hello,
Tanvi.
how are you?
I'm doing good. How are you?
Very well, thank you. So, for everyone who's joined us now, Ms. Sonali is nutrition and wellness expert and is also a yoga trainer who also conducts antenatal classes these days for pregnant patients and helps you in the general wellness and taking care of yourself and your diet. So, today's topic is how to de stress yourself during pregnancy. Off you go, Sonali.
Thank you, Tanvi. I hope I'm audible and
Yes,
visible.
yes.
So, hi everyone. Welcome to this another exciting session. Today, I will talk about how you can distress yourself during pregnancy. So, pregnancy is a very special period for a woman, but it can also come with many like complications or even fears, doubts, anxieties, right? So this can be due to various factors. First important factor is that the hormonal changes or the fluctuations we can call. So they can cause you irritable moods, then anxieties, fears, and also overthinking, right? And there are other factors such as your sleep, the kind of sleep you are getting, then the nutrition, of course, because poor diet is linked towards having a stressful pregnancy. So today we'll talk about few important things, and I'll also demonstrate some short or quick yoga practices which can help pregnant women to distress themselves during pregnancy. So first important thing when we talk about stress during pregnancy, the first important thing which helps them is breathing technique. Because when you're stressed during pregnancy, it is seen that the breath is very much fluctuating, and it can even tense or results in high BP conditions in pregnant women. So simple breathing technique which I will show now can help them to keep their blood pressure in control and also relax. Okay, so for that you just have to sit in simple sukhasana where your knees are gently folded and the legs are relaxed. Your back is straight, the spinal cord especially is straight, shoulders are relaxed, and even the neck is relaxed. So the simple technique is where you inhale through the nose and exhale through the mouth. The inhalations here are more longer and I mean in depth. Okay, so you can just observe me. Uh, as I inhale, the chest will expand, even the abdomen will expand, right? So just to make sure that you are doing it right, you can keep your one hand on the chest and one hand on the belly. Okay. This will make sure that the inhalations are longer, and while you inhale, your chest is rising, and while you exhale to the mouth, chest will fall, right? Fall down. So that's how you can inhale, do deep breathings, which will help to distress during pregnancy. So I'll show it one more time. This is a simple abdominal or deep breathing technique you should practice during pregnancy. The second most important thing which can help you to relieve the stress is exercise or walking. So exercises like stretching exercises or yoga can really help you to release some happy hormones, we can say, or relaxing hormones in your body. So simple five stretching I will show today. First stretching is where you are seated on your mat, okay, and as you inhale, you raise your both hands straight up, interlock your fingers, and then give a nice stretch here. Raise your both hands, raise your shoulders slightly above the shoulder line. Okay, so this will stretch your spinal cord, And if possible, you can even look up and stay. Okay, so this will work on your spinal cord and entire nervous system, because when you're stressed, it is common that it is disturbing your nervous function somewhere. So this simple stretching will help you to calm down instantly. Okay, you can stay here while you inhale, and when you exhale, bring your hands down. Okay, so this is the first step. Next step, where you do simple neck rotations, starting from the clockwise. You inhale and lift your head up, and while you exhale, gently bring the head down. Okay, so 3 counts on each side. Inhale, bring your head up. Exhale, gently bring it down. One more time. And then anti-clockwise. 1, 2, last one, 3, then exhale, bring your head down. Okay. The third movement is again which helps you to relax is your spinal twisting, we can say, where you twist from the lower back and you look back. Okay. So you can watch me when I do. Okay. So inhale, just twist from the lower back, right from your hip. Take your right hand back, bring it on the left hip, while keeping your left hand on the right knee. Gently look back. So this will help on the nervous system especially. So I have to hold here for 3 breaths. And then gently exhale, come back to center. Okay, same you can repeat on the left side. Gently twist on the lower back. Keeping your head straight, look back. Stay here for 3 breaths. And then gently exhale. Okay. So that is something very simple and easy to do by yourself. Okay. The fourth stretching exercise, which is again very simple and you can do it by yourself at home, is cat and cow stretch, which helps with the flexibility of your spine and ultimately giving you relaxation. So for that, you have to come on the knees while keeping your palms underneath your shoulder, keeping your knees underneath your hips. The back should be parallel to the mat and relax. Okay. And as you start inhaling here, curve your back and lift your head up. The hip should not move. And while you exhale, drop your head down and round the back. Okay. You can practice this 4 to 5 times so that it gives you maximum relaxation. Okay. Inhale, lift your head up. Exhale, drop your head down. One more time. Inhale. And then exhale, slowly drop the head down and round it. Okay, the fifth most important step is to go back in a relaxing pose called child's pose. Okay, so from this neutral pose, all you can do is push your pelvis back and then stretch your both hands forward. Okay, make sure the knees are apart and there is enough space for the belly. Okay, you're not compressing your belly here. So you have to stretch the hands forward. If possible, you can even drop your head down and relax there. So child's pose is considered a very relaxing and soothing practice during the pregnancy. You can stay here as long as you want, maybe from 1 minute to till 3 minutes. You can even use a pillow or a bolster to drop your head down. Okay? This is a very soothing and relaxing posture. I'll show once more. So just relax here. You can even stretch the elbows and be more relaxed. Okay. Then gently, when you want to come back, inhale, lift your head up and then slowly come back. So this is a simple yoga routine which every pregnant woman can do or practice during her pregnancy. So this can be practiced as soon as you get it from the bed, or even before you go to the sleep, right? So this is about exercises. You can even do walking, especially try to take a walk in sunlight so that you get enough vitamin D as well, because vitamin D is linked towards your brain function and also the stress. So getting enough vitamin D through sunlight and also through dietary sources is very important. The third important point here is that help pregnant women to distress themselves is having a nutritious diet. The nutritious diet, which involves a lot of antioxidants, especially such as fruits, fresh fruits like pomegranate, guava, berries, etc. So they are rich in antioxidants, and antioxidants can really low down your stress levels. So I have a fresh fruit bowl here. Just wanted to show that every morning, if I mean, you can start in pregnant women can start including fresh fruits in their diet. It is as per earlier recommendation, especially you should have 4 to 5 portions of fruit every day while you're pregnant. Um, then fourth important factor to make sure that you are not stressed during pregnancy, you are not worried about your health or your baby's health is hydration. Okay? It is, I mean, many women, especially I have seen that they tend to forget about drinking enough water or keeping themselves hydrated with liquids like you can keep yourself hydrated. I mean, with liquids like buttermilk juice, fresh juice like coconut juice, pomegranate juice, etc. Because having enough hydration can relax down your muscles, your joints, and make sure that you can be stress free throughout the day, right? So just reminder that pregnant women should always carry a water bottle with them so that they don't forget to drink enough water. Okay. The fifth most important point is not over consuming or getting addicted towards things like caffeine, alcohol, tobacco, etc. The reason being that these things can block the absorption of nutrients in your body. They inhibit certain vitamins absorption, especially which are linked towards having a normal and stress-free pregnancy. So limit the consumption of such things like caffeine, alcohol, etc. The sixth most important thing is your sleep. So, like I said, that by limiting these things, you not only have a healthy pregnancy, but even your sleep can be improved, right? So, sleep or having taking enough rest during the pregnancies, it's really very important for your health and your baby's health. So it is advisable that you go to sleep early and take enough amount of sleep, like 7 to 8 hours of sleep. So many women during pregnancy they get very anxious or very tired as their days, and they again tend to engage themselves into gadgets or watching movies, etc., which sometimes can have really negative impact on them. So simple practice which they can do is practicing gratitude or writing a journal. So you can carry a book with yourself or a journal with yourself wherever you travel, or even if you are at home. You can just write down the things you want. Maybe they can be positive affirmations for your pregnancy, positive thoughts about your baby or your pregnancy, right? These things not only help them to write down what they are thinking, but also make sure that they don't go to sleep with those thoughts, right? Because the subconscious mind is working while you're sleeping. So to get enough sleep, keep yourself away from the gadgets and also from things such as caffeine, alcohol, etc. And get enough rest and sleep throughout the pregnancy. Um, that's all. These are some preventive measures having a healthy and happy pregnancy, and also make sure that you're not stressed and you can improve your chances of normal birth, right? Because breathing technique and the things which I mentioned, like breathing techniques, exercises, and having a nutritious diet can really have good impact on your health, can increase the chances of even normal birth for you. So Thank you.
Thank you so much. That was wonderful. I think all the points covered and very, very informative. Also, I specifically like the breathing techniques, how they can be done anywhere. If a woman's working or if you're going to office and you suddenly feel very overwhelmed or stressed, you could go ahead and do those breathing techniques and it'll be very nice. So, yeah, I really enjoyed it. And let's wait a minute if we have any questions.
Sure.
So anyone who's joined us, if you have any questions or anything you would ask Sonali. Okay, I don't think there are any questions, but it was wonderful, and we'll post this video as a recorded version, and let's see. Thank you so much, Sonali, once again for your beautiful information that you always give. And yeah, wish everyone a very happy and healthy pregnancy, and make sure you're not stressing out and taking all your nutrients on time. Thank you so much, and take care.
Bye.
Bye.